This is Blizzard 09. And now this is the aftermath. It stopped snowing. But as you can see, it's like, can't even tell where the road began and the, well, yeah, where the road ends and the sidewalk begins. Yep. And the path, the snow path is not right there anymore. And look at how much snow. This is the door. And you can see the snow is actually higher than our door. So you try to open it. See? But now, going to the back. This also gives you some idea. And this is George. How long have you been at it, George?
A while.
And this is all you did? No.
I know. I was about to tell you right when you get it out. This is going to be a day-long project.
And then,
Here, hang out here.
I know, hold on, let me.
I'm gonna... Oh, do you want to take pictures?
Oh, I'm taking a video. I mean, you want to take a picture, go ahead.
I started a little while ago, but...
Okay. Oh, yeah.
Well, I didn't take too many.
Oh, this is a good shot. You can see how high the snow is by how much is still on my car. Good comparison that way. And then, where are you dumping this? Oh, there. That's where you're dumping the snow. Then hey, how did you get the shovel out?
The snow's actually powdery.
Oh, that's nice. So that's not that big of a. Well, there's a hassle, just not.
Yeah, I mean, it's not the easiest.
But this is all I could actually show you because I can't even walk outside.
You wanna...
The front door is closed. This one's just filled with snow.
measurement?
Okay.
This is the pile so far.
And we're expecting it to reach your head by the end of the day.
But if you want to look at how much snow it actually was,
Mm-hmm.
I guess. So, look at my pants. So, around there.
Okay. Now you're just trying to skew the result. But okay, well this is all we could really show you right now, but maybe we'll take more later.